Hi, folks. It's Fred here. Okay, here's the first challenge. The first challenge I want you to do is register and create an account at scratch.mit.edu. I'm going to focus in here. You can see the website here, scratch.mit.edu. This is Scratch. It was created by MIT, Lifelong Kindergarten Group, Harvard, and as well as Google. So those three organizations helped build this. It started off with Mitch Resnick and the Lifelong Kindergarten Group, where they do a lot of great things for students and have them have their students become creative thinkers. Okay, so this is the new version. This is 3.0. They just upgraded this about 2 weeks ago, around January 2nd. So there's a little new interface here. So the first challenge I want you to do is create an account. All you need to do is go ahead and just join Scratch. A little pop-up window will come in. Find the name. Go ahead and create a username and choose a password. Now remember, go ahead and make sure you write this down and don't forget it. Okay? I already created one myself, so I'm good to go. But you need to do this now. All right? Okay, I'll see you on the next challenge.